WhatsApp. Being the most popular messaging app in the country isn't easy, right? Not to mention, to maintain its lead, the company has kept on adding new features to the app for the past few years to remain competitive. And you know what? WhatsApp has no plans to slow down just yet. In this video, we tell you about some of the key new features that WhatsApp has to offer. Before getting started, I would like to add that to use these new features, you need to download the latest version of WhatsApp Beta. There's a new privacy setting and invite system that allows users to have more control over the group messages they receive. This new setting also helps to restrict joining of new groups on WhatsApp. To enable this function, go to Settings, Account, Privacy, Groups, and from here you can choose between three options: Everyone, My Contacts, and Nobody. By selecting Nobody, the person inviting you to a group will be asked to send you a private invite through an individual chat. The private invite will expire 3 days after its receipt. If you select My Contacts, then only users that are in your address book will be able to add you to a group. Lastly, if you select Everyone, then this option won't add any restriction on any user that wants to add you to a group. This new feature helps senders to know how many times their sent message has been forwarded. So let me break this down. Say you received a message from user A, and then you decide to forward that received message to user B. Now after forwarding, when you long press on the message and up top click on the eye icon, then you'll be able to see the number of times a message has been forwarded. However, if you have received a forwarded message that has been sent to multiple users, you cannot check the number of times it has been forwarded. Additionally, the frequently forwarded tag, which was spotted recently for messages that have been forwarded more than 4 times, is nowhere to be seen in the latest beta build. Earlier, a WhatsApp user was forced to download the entire sticker pack even if the person just wanted to use a single sticker from that pack. This changes now. In order to download a single sticker, open a chat and go to the WhatsApp stickers store. Now long press on a sticker in a not yet downloaded stickers pack. You will get a prompt asking if you want to add the sticker to favorites. Select Add, and your sticker will be added without even having to download the complete sticker pack. Launched by Proto, an India-based media scaling startup, the new checkpoint Tipline feature will help create a database of rumors to study misinformation during elections. So say you have received a message from a user that you think is a misinformation or a rumor, then in that case you can share that message with the Tipline on 9643000888. Further, Proto's verification center will seek to respond and inform the user if the claim made in the message shared is verified or not. The response will indicate if the information is classified as true, false, misleading, disputed, or out of scope, and include any other related information that is available. Over the last week, traces of dark mode have been spotted on WhatsApp Beta Build 2.19.82 and in 2.19.87. In version 2.19.82, the dark mode was only implemented in the settings menu. But as seen on 2.19.87, the dark mode has been implemented onto the profile section as well. Dark mode feature is still not available for users, not even for those with beta version installed. But be rest assured, the new feature is under development and should be available sooner than later. Traces of fingerprint authentication feature for Android has been spotted in WhatsApp Beta 2.19.83. The screenshots show how the authentication feature can be enabled in settings and what the interface will look like. This new feature will let WhatsApp users lock their account and unlock it using fingerprint authentication. Again, we are not sure when this feature will be rolled out for Android users. Notably, iPhone users already have the feature in the stable version of the iOS app. WhatsApp Business, the app that lets small businesses communicate, is finally being rolled out as a stable version for iOS users worldwide. Unlike iOS, the app has been available since a year on Android, and if you want to know more about WhatsApp Business, we recently did a video on it when we tested out the Android version of the app. Go check it out, the link will be down in the description below. And these were some of the new features that are already there or are about to come on WhatsApp. Do note the features we tested out are available on WhatsApp beta builds and their release information on the stable versions is yet unknown. So that's all for this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we post a new awesome video. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.